Listen, I planted these 7 vegetables in my kitchen last November, and by the time everyone else was complaining about expensive grocery bills in February, I was harvesting fresh greens every single week. And here's the wild part. 3 of these actually grew faster indoors than they would have outside. Stick around, because number 5 is going to blow your mind. I'm about to prove that winter doesn't mean your garden has to die. Hey there, Green Thumb. Welcome back to Nature's Fix, the cozy corner of YouTube where we help you grow more, spend less, and eat better, all year long. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I drop new, budget-friendly gardening gems every single week. Most people think gardening stops when the first frost hits, but here's the secret. Winter is the perfect season to grow indoors. Outside, plants battle cold, wind, and short daylight hours. Indoors, you control everything: light, temperature, and moisture. That's why these 7 vegetables don't just survive indoors, they thrive. And the best part? The setup costs less than 3 trips to the grocery store. Microgreens are like nature's fast food, only way healthier. They go from seed to harvest in 7 to 14 days. You only need a shallow tray, some potting soil, and seeds. Scatter them densely, mist with water, and cover for a few days. Once they sprout, move them to your brightest window. Pro tip: after your first harvest, fluff the soil, add a tiny bit of compost, and reuse it up to 5 times. A $2 seed packet gives you 20 trays. That's hundreds of dollars of fresh greens for pennies. Loose-leaf lettuces like buttercrunch oak leaf and salad bowl grow beautifully indoors. Plant 3 to 4 seeds per pot, thin to the strongest 2, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Harvest outer leaves when they're 4 inches long, and your plant will keep producing for weeks. Indoors, you can keep lettuce sweet and crisp year-round, because there's no heat to make it bitter. Radishes are indoor speed demons, ready in about 25 to 30 days. Just make sure your container is at least 6 inches deep. Plant seeds 2 inches apart, because crowding them just gives you tiny bulbs. Try colorful varieties like French breakfast or Easter egg, they're really fun. And hey, bonus, the greens are edible too. Stir-fry them for a peppery kick. Seeds cost less than a candy bar but give you a whole month of fresh harvests. Spinach loves cool temperatures. 65 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 18 Celsius, is perfect. It grows beautifully indoors using the cut and come again method, which is super handy. Varieties like Bloomsdale and Space are ideal choices. Shallow pots work just fine, but make sure they get at least 6 hours of light each day. Homegrown spinach tastes sweeter than store-bought, and honestly, a $2 packet of seeds will feed your family for months. Now for the showstopper: green onions grown from scraps. Use the white root ends you'd normally throw away. Just place them in water on your windowsill, and they'll regrow in just a few days. Then, transfer them to soil for stronger growth. I've had some roots produce for 6 months straight. That's 6 months of free onions, all from what you'd have tossed in the trash. It's the ultimate budget gardening hack. Arugula grows in just 20 to 30 days. It's cold-tolerant, forgiving, and honestly, adds incredible flavor to your dishes. You can grow it in shallow containers, harvest it young for a milder flavor, or if you wait a bit longer, you'll get a spicier bite. And hey, if you let a few plants flower, you can collect seeds and basically grow arugula forever. Kale isn't just a superfood, it's a winter workhorse. Choose dwarf varieties like Winterbore or Blue Curled. You'll want to plant in pots at least 8 inches deep, and remember to harvest from the bottom up. Each plant can produce for months. I've had over 50 leaves from one pot. Cold temperatures actually make kale even sweeter. You can grow it in your basement or a cool sunroom. It'll totally thrive. So let's talk about a few super common mistakes you'll want to avoid. Overwatering. Only water when the top inch of soil feels dry, okay? Low light. Just use some cheap LED grow lights for about 12 to 14 hours a day. Poor soil. Always use potting mix, not garden dirt, trust me on that. Planting all at once. Try to stagger your plantings every 2 weeks for continuous harvests. And no airflow. A small fan goes a long way to prevent mold. Follow these tips and honestly your indoor garden will thrive, not just survive. Now, let's break down the budget. Potting mix, $8. Seeds for all 7 veggies, $12. Repurposed containers, totally free. Optional grow lights, $15. So, that's under $35 total for months of food. Meanwhile, store-bought organic greens for 3 months? That'll run you around $150. Your return on investment? Off the charts. Alright, so here's my final advice. Start small. Pick 2 or 3 veggies to try this week. Keep notes on what works, experiment with light and watering, and honestly, don't stress about perfection. Every harvest, no matter how small, is a victory. Share your extra greens with neighbors or friends, and let them know they came from your indoor winter garden. You're not just growing food, you're growing independence. Remember, winter doesn't mean your garden stops, it just moves inside. Thanks for watching Nature's Fix. Hit like, subscribe.